back to my YouTube channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, you're welcome to Sally Talks, aka.prestige. Here we get to talk about everything that involves around lifestyle, faith, relationship, marriage, food, name it. Everything that entails around lifestyle generally, we're going to be discussing all of those stuffs right here on this channel. Yes. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do it fit by pressing the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share. And guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about food. I'm going to be showing us how I'm going to prepare dodo pizza. Dodo means plantain, fried plantain, so yeah, dodo pizza. Nigeria generally call it dodo pizza, where I'll be using my egg and plantain and some tomatoes, to make it look yummy. So if you haven't seen it before, if you haven't tasted it before, then you need to see this video till the end. Welcome to another cooking time with Sally, where I will share my recipe on how I prepare my plantain and egg frittata. I'll be dropping the recipe and the procedure in the description box. All my ingredients are already chopped and kept aside, so it's about time to fry my plantain into a golden brown color. The oil is already heated. I'm frying it. I want it to be fried into a golden brown color, and I've achieved that. So all I'll do is just to pack it and keep it aside. Then I'll reduce my oil and I'll start the fryings of the tomatoes and the bell pepper and the rice. Okay, so I'm packing it aside. I'll just pack it now and keep it to cool off. So I'm allowing it to cool off while I start my sauce processes. So my ingredients are chopped already. I'm frying my onions and chicken in a low heat frying pan, and I'll be adding my tomatoes, my chopped tomatoes. I'll allow it to fry a bit before adding my red chili pepper. I'll allow it to fry. I'm adding my red chili pepper now. What's sauce without the chili pepper? Then I'll add my seasonings. Once I add my seasoning, I'll stir my sauce until it's almost ready. Once it's almost ready, I will add up my red and green bell pepper. So it's ready. I'm adding my red and green bell pepper into the sauce. I'll stir it for some minutes and then it's ready. I'll pour it in a different plate and I'll set it aside while I start heating my egg to start our frittata. Frying. So I'm heating my egg. This is 4 eggs. I'll be using the same frying pan that I used in frying this sauce. So I'll be mixing my sauce into the egg in order for the sauce to mix properly with the egg before frying. So I'm heating it properly now. While I set my pot on fire on low heat, I'm using the smaller burner. I'll heat my egg properly and I'll pour it into the frying pan. Then it's time for me to place my fried plantain on the egg. I'll place it and cover the whole egg. Then I'll allow it to cook for some minutes. Well, the sauce process can actually be used for 2 procedures with the frittata baking, which is the oven and the frying pan. I prefer the frying pan because of the taste that it gives. So I'm just placing my plantain now and I'll cover it once I'm done placing it over the egg. You can use a foil paper first in order to fasten the cooking, but I did not. I'll just use my lid, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes and then my frittata is ready. Don't forget to try it and drop your comment in the comment section. Thanks.